by the looks of the thumbnail, you're probably thinking, is he actually annoyed? Does he really want to spray hairspray? Yes, I do, okay? And this video is about hairspray. Do you need hairspray? What does it do? All that stuff. So hairspray is a product that's designed to hold your hair in place. It's designed to be sprayed on the hair, aka hairspray, okay? What hairspray is designed to do, and it's been around for like many years. It's literally a product that is designed to hold the hair in place, hold your style in place, more importantly, your style. Because you don't want to have hair that's held in place that has a bad hairstyle, okay? You want to use hairspray when you have that magical moment of, oh my gosh, that's it, my hair looks incredible, that's what I want. Spray it on your hair, all right? Now, there have been a lot of changes and things and, you know, technology and ingredients and all sorts of stuff that have improved over the years, but there's still a few things that really will never change, right? Like alcohol. This needs to have, now there's really harsh alcohols and there's better types of alcohol that are in hairsprays that are used nowadays, like what I use, so that you're getting that because you need that for the holding power, okay? You need that for the support in the hair, for the style itself. You have to have that foundation or else it's not gonna do anything. So, you know, hairspray is something that is a necessity if you need it, okay? Now, for example, this super popular hairstyle, which everybody seems to want, I created my TikToker hairstyle kit, which comes with, and if you have this style, it comes with the brush, and I've done many videos. I've seen reviews out there from people saying, oh, the brush doesn't flip my hair up. Well, guess what? You're probably not, let me look at you while I'm saying this. You're probably not using it properly, and I just did a video on how to, stop having bad hair days. You're not you don't know how to use a round brush properly. You can't just put it in your hair like this and put the blow dryer on and expect you have to have the right haircut. You have to know how to use this tool, okay? So it comes with the round brush, it comes with my Tidal Wave sea salt spray as a pre-styler and locked hairspray, which is designed to lock the style in. If you do all of this work and you get your hair to the style that you want and you don't put any hairspray in it, will it stay like this? Yes, it will, but it will eventually start to lose its shape and collapse over time. By putting hairspray in it, like this, and locking it in, what you are doing is you are extending the life of the style. You're supporting the style more so that it will grow out. It will hold longer, okay? It will hold the style longer throughout the day. That's what hairspray is doing. It's a necessity. So, does hairspray, could it damage your hair? If you're using hairspray improperly, and years ago, there was like the liquid hairsprays, they still exist. But to me, they were so harsh and it sprayed so much product on the hair. And if it was a lower quality type of product with, kind of a lot of chemicals and stuff, which some need, like I mentioned, and you would just singe the hair with the brush. You would singe the hair with the blow dryer. That hairspray, that hairspray would not help, okay? It would not help whatsoever because you were literally burning the product onto your hair. You'd see all the smoke, it would just not be good for your hair. Do that every single day, or you're using like a curling iron and spray, all that heat is just not good for your hair. So can hairspray damage your hair? Well, it could add to the, kind of harm to your hair that's being done if you're not using it properly. Everything is about using it properly. So why would you need hairspray? When would you need hairspray? Simply if you want a lot of volume in your hair, you want a specific style to hold in place, like this. Once you spray the hairspray in, and this is another thing that people tend to do, They spray the hairspray, they get the style, and then they say, oh, I want something that's like pliable. I want to be able to run my fingers through it. Well, guess what? By doing this, you're literally collapsing the entire style. Okay, yeah, it may look okay for, you may be able to restyle it, reshape it for a little bit, but over time, the more you run your fingers through it, it's going to help collapse that style. It may not be instantly, but hairspray is designed to set it and forget it. Okay, you don't want to be running your fingers through your hair. You don't want to be flipping all around when you have a lot of hairspray in it, because that's not what hairspray is designed to do. So if you feel like you're lacking in some hold, you may just need some extra hairspray, okay? Now, using something like my Power Cream, my Extreme Hold Cream Gel, okay? It's a styling cream. That is like bulletproof crazy glue. You put that in your hair, you let it set, there's a strong chance you're not going to need hairspray, okay? But certain products or certain hairstyles you may need a hairspray for. And keep in mind, some hairsprays, like I mentioned, when the spray or the product hits the hair, some hairsprays that have a lot of water in them, literally it's very wet and damp on your hair, and then it has to dry, okay? So you have to be careful about that. Some of them add a lot of shine to your hair. My hairspray here, the locked hairspray, is a matte finish hairspray, okay? So it's not adding any shine. It's a very medium, pliable, workable type of texture. So yes, if you spray it, you don't want to really mess with it, but if you wanted to, you can spray and work it in and you'll be fine, all right? That's what's great about this hairspray. So if you are interested in purchasing the hairspray or any products, use code YouTube20, that's YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com, and it's free shipping on orders with a value of over $50 after the discount code is applied. So let me know if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.